This song's sweet.
Look at me show this full up with glasses, dude. I look better in glasses than this guy. Okay, check it out, look at this. Tell me what you think. Right?
I don't know. Hey! Oh, wait. He's toasting, never mind. Water? Fernando? You're healthy, bro. You're real healthy.
Fernandez or Fernando?
It's Fernando, dude.
Fernando? I'm gonna call you Waldo.
Waldo?
Waldo, like where's Waldo? Fernando, Waldo? Toss it up, dude.
Fernandui.
1 and 1 makes 2.
Yeah, straight up, dog.
Yeah.
Straight up.
I'm gonna call you, gosh, dude, I wanna call you something cool. Yeah. What's something like a... I can't think of anything.
Dude, sing the music.
I don't know this song.
Dude, come on. Come on, dude.
I don't know this song.
Oh, are you stripping? Is that what you're doing? Oh, wow, dude. On camera.
That way?
Come on, you gotta at least know what this song's called.
What the song's all about?
What's it called? Come on, dude. Come on.
I'll fucking know.
Dude, it was on the computer.
Oh, this is Natasha Bedingfield? This you were listening to?
I think... No, dude. Actually, I take that back. That wasn't her, dude. I just thought it was.
Dude. Called you out.
It wasn't me,
dude,
bro.
we went to Jack in the Box, dude. I stole a cup and drank like a bunch of Dr. Pepper. We'll go back.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Fernando. Okay. I love you.
You didn't get toasted?